In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your screen timeout to infinite on Oppo F21 Pro 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to download the app from Google Play Store, but first let's move to our settings. From here we can check the maximum timeout on this device by going into display and brightness settings. And here's auto screen off. We can press on it and the maximum timeout is 30 minutes and the minimum one is 15 seconds. So now in order to change that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, start search for an app and enter caffeine. It's this app right here. It's a green icon with a white cap on it. Now let's press install. After this process is finished, we can open our app. From here, click on Don't Show Again, move to the timeout, and you'll be able to see additional settings for your screen timeout. So the new one is 1 hour, variable, and infinite right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.